guys, I'm just going to show you today how to take out the radio. This is an E-class, this is a E2010. So what you do, guys, you make sure you take your stick shift, just the stick thing, you just put it on drive, and then from the front here you just lift it up like that, guys, and then you turn it around just like that, and then once it's around, guys, you have access to this to pull out this guy right here in front of you. So what you do, you just press it, you just pry it from the bottom, you just use your hand, it's not something hard, and then you just pull it like that, you take it out. Once it's out, guys, you can just leave it there because that's not what you're trying to remove. You can just leave it on the side. Then right here, guys, there are two E20 they're holding this conditioner settings thing. So what you do, guys, one of it is out, it's just right there, and then the other one is just right here to the side. You just just gonna use a gun to just pull it out. So this is a W211. So just use my hand to just bring it out like this, guys. So there you go. This is supposed to be two of them. One side should be in front, so once that is out, you just pull it from the bottom, just pull it like that. You should be able just to come out just quick like this and snap out. So same to this, guys. Since I'm not going to take it out, I'm just going to put it on the side. I'm just going to put it on the side, but I make sure that I don't stretch the cables which hold it. So guys, the last part is the radio. So when you sit down here, there are two W220 on both sides, one side and on the other side. So normally, guys, this bolts not hold it. So you just, what you do, you just pull the radio just pull it forward. It just snap out by itself. And then once you do that, guys, you just pull it all the way. Let me show you from the top. So when you come to the top, it comes like that. You just pull it all the way, and then there's one connector behind it. So this is the only connector, guys. You just need to pull out. You just squeeze it down like that, and then it should be able to pop out. It come out like that, and then your radio should be free and out. So guys, the important thing with this is that just take your time. Don't be in a rush, and then when you put this thing on the side, don't make sure that it doesn't like put up too much weight on it. Okay, I wish you guys luck, and then next time.